I am living my Rosanna Pansino dreams today. Hello, my name is Paulina and I do things! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello. Today we will be combining two of my most favorite things, Halloween and ramen. Now, I've already raved about how much I love soup in my past video of like what I eat in a day, I think, or things I've been eating in quarantine. I can't remember what I called it. I'll put the doodad card at the top if it lets me. I don't know. So you can imagine how ecstatic I am that the weather is starting to get cooler outside, because you know what that means? It is both soupy season and spoopy season. If I had to pick a favorite soup, it definitely would be ramen, because there are many different options to it, but the key selling point for me is the soft boiled egg and the fact that the noodles kind of look like brains. Because of that, I want to make festive ramen. So we'll be playing into the fact that ramen looks like brains, but then we'll be taking the eggs and using these. I've had these for a few years now, but I've never really gotten around to using them. But basically, you make a hard-boiled egg, or hopefully like a somewhat soft-boiled egg, put them in here, it shapes them into this, and we got fancy eggs. As for other toppings on the noodles, I'm vegetarian, so I'm just gonna be going with the egg, and of course some vegetables. I'm gonna use baby corns because they're festively fall, and I'm making a bowl for my sister. Hers will have chicken. I'm also making mine spicy by putting sriracha sauce into the broth and garlic because we gotta ward off vampires. But hopefully that'll kind of give it a pinkish reddish tinge so it looks more brain-like. Plus the little skeleton, plus the baby corns. It's just gonna be so festive. I'm so excited and I'm really hungry. I bet you can tell. And yesterday I took the time to try to soft-boiled eggs because even though I'm in my mid-20s, I've never soft-boiled an egg before in my life. And I put it in there for about 6 minutes and it was almost long enough, so I'm actually gonna go with 9 minutes and then plop them into a cup of ice so I can shell them. Because I want them solid enough that they're not gonna just explode when I put them in these things, which actually took them out. They're like this, and you plop them in there and then you lock them down, and they actually say some egg might pop out, so hopefully it doesn't like destroy them. But yeah. We're gonna go ahead and get on to cooking. And no, I'm not gonna make you watch me do that. We'll probably just show some cool B-roll of me cooking. Cool. I like that I said cool B-roll. No more talking, let's get cooking. Hello. Okay, so the eggs didn't go well. I don't know why I spent a solid hour yesterday testing them out to see just how long they needed to be cooked for. Just for them to be like...
Nah, that was yesterday. Today, this moon's over there, these stars are not aligned, and now it's gonna take...
I don't know how long. I'm boiling them for 12 minutes now. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. This is how it turned out. Look at it.
That is not a usable egg.
So I have my ramen sitting here with covers on it trying to keep it warm. So fingers crossed that the next round of boiled eggs is good enough to peel and put in the little egg-o-matics, or whatever they're called. Oh, they're called egg-o-matics. That's funny. That was subliminal because I've never actually read the packaging. I just look at the cute creatures on it, but it's still got in my brain. It's amazing what your brain can absorb. But yeah, we have one maybe soft-boiled egg. I don't know what's going on in here, but I will still eat it. But for now, we wait. I'm so hungry. Look at me and my little friend who I'm about to eat and impale with a fork. We are gonna test it out to see if she is soft-boiled. I'm not gonna be disappointed if she isn't because she looks like a skeleton skull. I mean, you can only ask for so much. Doesn't feel very soft-boiled. Nope. Dun dun dun. So it's not soft-boiled, but I'm not upset. I mean, it's cooked. It looks like a skull. I'm happy with it. The true taste test. I already know the vegetables are delicious because I tried them earlier. Talking with my mouth full, but I'm gonna take a tinier bit of the egg dipped in the broth and we will try that. Tastes pretty good. I'm gonna go for a real full bite with a little bit of everything. We have some noodles. We have a baby corn. We have a very festive bite. I'm very hungry at this point. I mean, you already know ramen is good, but adding your own veggies and egg and sriracha, you know, it takes it up a notch. It's really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna inhale my entire bowl of this now. But before we do that, my sister is going to try her bowl of ramen that I made her with her little dinosaur. Because it just seemed right to give the carnivorous one the dinosaur skull. You know, the T-Rex, it just makes sense. If her egg is soft-boiled and mine isn't, okay, good. Hers isn't soft-boiled, so I don't feel bad. Go ahead and try a little bite of everything. What you think? Use your words.
It was very good.
That's it? It was very good? There you go. May's review with a mouthful of ramen. So yeah, that's how I made festive ramen. Very exciting video, I'm sure. At the end of the day, it is delicious. Hit the like button if I should try more cooking things. I might listen to you, I might not. You can comment down below what things you think I should cook. I might listen to you, I might not. And subscribe so you can see if I actually end up listening to you, or I might not. Okay, bye, I'm gonna eat dinner now, I'm so hungry.